Hi my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Dee. Today we are going to look at organizing our intimate apparel. So you know how it goes. We want to find the right brassiere, the right pair of undies, want to find our nightgown, all of those things. And if it's all shuffled and mangled up with other clothing, then it makes it a little more difficult to locate it. So if you find one thing that you like, I don't care how small it is, thumbs up and subscribe below. We want you to thumbs up and subscribe below. So we're gonna get this ball rolling and we're going to knock it out of the park. All right, my YouTube friends, today we're going to store our intimate apparel and we're going to focus on socks and undies. So stay tuned. Here are the items that you will need for this project. You will need the tags that you will see hanging on the front of the bin. I love using the faux ribbon, but you can attach the tags with just the ring that's on the actual tags, or you can use, to jazz it up, you can use the faux ribbon to loop through the tag and then hang it upon the hook in front of the basket. You'll need your toilet paper roll. Yeah, we can repurpose those. You're definitely going to need your socks and of course your undies. And we are going to start the construction process. The first thing you want to do is roll your socks and get them as tightly rolled as possible. And it should look like that. And then you're going to stick it inside of the toilet paper roll. Now, some people may want to decorate this roll. That's fine. You can do that, but it's not necessary. You'll do the same thing with your undies. You will roll your undies however you'd like to roll them. And they should look about like that. And you're going to stick it inside of the toilet paper roll. All right, we've got all our socks and our undies rolled. And I am going to use the container for the socks. And I take my socks that are already rolled and I stick it in a spot, in an empty spot in the actual bin. So there we are. And I've got all my socks in there, and I'll do the same thing because I have the undies in a separate bin. So I'll do the same thing with the undies. Then on front, you're going to label your item. And here I have it labeled socks, and I spiffied it up with a piece of the faux rhinestone ribbon. And it hangs there, and when I store everything away, I know exactly where to go to get my items. All right, my YouTube friends, so these items stack in a little chest that I have in my closet. So when I want to access it, of course, I look at the tag, I pull it out, I get what I want, and I'm ready for the day. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns regarding this DIY, please leave those below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.